Still staying on there.
So we get that out of the way. Get up over the neck. And alright. Now, timing is important. The drum is a timing. Give me some drum. And the feet going to one of that. See? That's it. You have to get that. So, see, get that. One of them. When I kick off, I'll pocket. You have to have that drum. Timing. Walking down King Street. I'm metallic and the branch is so sweet. I'm so sweet. They never don't squeeze her teeth. I will make you know that. I will make you know that. The right leg. Going to the drum. No, the reggaeton. Extra. This is a reggaeton. Simple. This is what differentiates reggae from other music. So when you get the timing, you have to have the rhythm, the attitude. heavy music, and a lot of people are afraid for it. It's from right here. Shane! My brethren, Shane, come on. The bass is the foundation of all music. It's the belly of the music. Give me some bass here. Sometime after 9 months, must be gone. Alright now, so don't stop. They weren't doing it. Come. Give it to them, let's one, stop one. Everybody, I want you to try this. Anytime you're ready to shake. So you see this timing? Knee soft, keep it bent. I'm on the same spot. I hear that now. So, chill the hands. Alright, so we're ready? That was some Reggaecise, alright? Alright, first of all, I want to introduce you to a good friend, a singer who opens many shows in Toronto, many shows in Montreal, most places in Canada when we have shows like this, because we are motivational speakers and we have tunes that are very emotional, motivational, right? So tonight I'm starting the warm up with my friend Dovey. Let me hear Dovey. Come beside us, Dovey. See the colors? Rastafari. So now, we're getting ready? Go ahead and ready to.
My name is Dovey, and I'm a songwriter and singer. And the song we're going to do, it's actually called Reggae Soul and Love, but we're going to do Reggaecise with it. How about that? Yes. Trust me, and you like it.